Do you know how hard it is to find contemporary decor, let alone a statue? So when I saw this, I grabbed it. I know, I love it. If you like traditional, you won't like this. I get it. But this is perfect. All right, I was originally going to put it on a bookcase, but I put it on my bookcase and it just like almost hit the top. So I'm like, I don't know if it looks right, but I have to find a place for it because it's fabulous. I know, and you're like, why didn't you read the dimensions? Because I didn't, sorry. Anyway, all right, so I think I like it somewhere like on a counter. Maybe not here on the kitchen counter. Maybe coffee table. An end table would be perfect, I think. Because you're not supposed to be matchy-matchy. So maybe only on one end table. Or have a different statue, maybe a smaller one, like a little ball on the other end table. I don't know. I'm just throwing ideas. I'm not a decorator. But I love this. I grabbed it, and I will find a place for it, believe me.